Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Interlock You. Hope you guys are safe and definitely take care of yourself and your loved ones. So, let us start our topic for today. We have always wondered whether to park our money in a bank or whether we should do it in a mutual fund because both of them offer different amount of returns and both of these are totally different from each other. So, in this video, we shall explore just about that. Friends, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel Interlock You. Do hit the like and the share button and the subscribe button, as your encouragement is definitely more important for us to make more such videos. Okay, so for today's video, let us meet our friends Priya and Vishnu. Priya and Vishnu both work in a bank. Priya has invested in a bank fixed deposit, whereas Vishnu has invested in a mutual fund. So what does data comparison show us for Priya and for Vishnu? So if we take Priya's rate of returns over a period of 14 years, let's say from the year 2007 to 2021, if we take her compounded average annual returns at the rate of 6%, since bank returns keep on fluctuating, so we have taken an average returns of 6%. And let's say Priya has 10,000 rupees amount of money with her which she wants to invest in a bank fixed deposit, or she has invested in one. So over a period of 14 years or 168 months at 6% average annualized compounded rate of return, Priya would be landing up with 22,600 rupees in the year 2021. Whereas Vishnu has invested in a mutual fund, and that particular mutual fund had a NAV of, let's say, around 35 rupees in the year 2007. So if he had 10,000 rupees of money in the year 2007 at 35 rupees of NAV, he would be landing up with 279 units. Now these 279 units, when he tries to sell it in the open market at 2021 at a NAV of rupees 174, Vishnu lands up with 48,000 rupees, which is almost double of what Priya has earned. Then these two different people have different investing styles. Priya is more of a risk-free investor because she knows that a bank will give her a particular amount of returns over a period of time, irrespective of what the market is or how the market is going. So Priya does not have to worry about, or she does not have to keep track of the market. No matter what the economy is outside, her bank is going to give her a fixed amount of return. Whereas mutual funds are totally market dependent returns. How the economy is performing, how the companies are performing is definitely going to impact mutual funds. And so along with mutual funds, your returns are going to be impacted. There may be some years where you might get negative returns. But if we take a period over a longer period of time, then definitely mutual funds are your answer to a better rate of return, provided you're ready to take that extra amount of risk. So where are Priya and Vishnu after 5 years? Well, Priya is still paying off her credit card bills, and Vishnu, he is laughing his way to the bank. So what kind of an investor are you? Are you a fixed deposit investor or are you a mutual fund investor? Do provide us your comments in the comment section, and yes, thank you for watching.